Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog for today. I wasn't going to film one today, but I figured why not, it's nice out. So anyways, I'm going to try and keep this part of it short, just for time's sake. But what I'm going to do now is drive down to the bike shop and see if they can get me in today. The guy told me to call him a little after 1. I tried calling, I called multiple times and nobody picked up. So I figured since it's fairly close by to me, I'll just drive down there and see what the deal is. And if anything, I'll have to come back, get my bike, and then go back down there again. So that's my plan for now. And I will catch you back when I'm in the car. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm about to head towards the bike shop to see what the deal is. Hopefully he can get my bike in today like he said he might be able to. Which would kind of suck because that means I gotta make 2 trips. One to, jeez, they gotta fix that. One down there just to talk to him, and then another one to actually bring my bike. This camera's not on straight. Turn here. The camera's not secure. There we go. So now I'm going to edit that part out. Okay. Green light. Steering wheel is like super hot. What's going on up here? Get this AC going. Wow, what are they doing? Right next to that Evo and everything? Oh my god. Bump. Bump. Anyways, it's another beautiful day outside. Sorry, I forgot the camera was on. Definitely a beautiful day out today. That's why I hope I can get my bike fixed so I can go for a bike ride. But, good thing the bike shop's not far from my apartment, too. Otherwise, it would really suck. That guy's doing what I should do, start jogging. There we go. Whoa, buddy. Anyways, like I was saying, I hope I can get my bike fixed today because it's so nice out. A lot of people down at the river again. Some people out on the water. It's a good day for that. But I sold my boat, so I can't do that anymore. It's exhaust leak's getting louder. So yeah, I don't know what I was gonna blah blah blah. I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about for this vlog. I think I'm just kind of taking you guys with me. Might be a 2-part vlog. It all depends on what I decide to film and what I decide not to film. So I don't know. I think it's gonna be a 2-parter. Gas left already, Jesus. This car goes through gas pretty quickly. It's one downside to owning a car that's turboed. I try to drive as slow as I can though. Like, oops, I should speed up now because it's 30. So if this doesn't work out, if I can't get my bike fixed today, I'm going to go to Muffler Man to see what they would quote me on getting my exhaust fixed, to see if it's cheaper than K&S. Hopefully it is. K&S wanted, they said 90 to 100 bucks for an hour to fix it. Which I bet you can fix it sooner, but that's what they quoted me, so. Alright, we're almost at the bike shop. It's right there. Pay attention to those lights. Alright, I'll be back. If I can find the off button. Okay, everybody, I'm leaving the bike shop and headed to Muffler Man. So basically what happened was I spoke to the owner of the bike shop. And I told him that this guy Adam, told me he could squeeze my bike in today to get the tubes and tires fixed on it. And the owner of the shop came out and said he doesn't know why Adam said that, because they're so far behind. They're 2 weeks behind schedule. So he told me to come back in like 2 weeks to get my bike fixed. So I don't know where else I can go to get my bike fixed. Maybe Bert's will do it. I should call Bert's. I forgot about that place. They might be able to work on my bike for me. But right now, I'm gonna head up to Muffler Man and see if they can give me a good quote on fixing my exhaust leak. It's a little bit of ways away, so I'm gonna be driving for a little bit. So I'll probably turn the camera off just for the sake of time. I'll pick back up when I get to the garage. So I will see you guys soon.